everybody, Ben Hunt here with TVA Communications here at Sequoyah Nuclear Plant, and I'm here with
Bryce Wilder radiation protection. So Ben and I are out here on the refueling floor doing our ongoing plane Unit 1 maintenance and refueling out.
That's right. So Bryce, can you tell everybody what exactly is an outage? Why do we perform them? Tell me all the things.
So outages like this is something that we plan to do every 18 months. For each of our units, they typically take place during spring and fall seasons when energy demand is low. And during that time, we bring in about 700 contractors, join in our in-house team, and together we refuel the reactor, perform necessary upgrades, and make improvements to plant system. Think that kind of like performing maintenance on your car. You don't want to get the oil changed. We want to perform upgrades to keep this car running for a very long time.
Makes sense, but Bryce, this is obviously not a car, it's a giant power plant. How many activities are we talking about?
That's exactly right. In fact, for this outage, we're performing over 14,000 work activities to help make Unit 1 stronger and more reliable than ever.
That's an intimidating number. Can you give me some examples of what we're doing here to improve Unit 1?
Sure. We've got teams working on our main generator. We're doing some major valve upgrades, big filter changeouts, main control room enhancements, some upgrades to improve main generator efficiency, and we're refueling the Unit 1 reactor with 72 new fuel bundle assemblies. When it's all said and done, and we bring Unit 1 back online, we'll unleash about 1,200 megawatts of carbon-free, American-made energy back to the PPA grid. And combined with Unit 2, Sequoyah will provide 1.3 million homes with electricity.
And this outage obviously is a significant investment in TVA's ongoing mission of public power and economic development for the Valley region. All right, coming to you from Sequoyah, I'm Ben.
I'm Bryce.
See you next time.